Polkadot price today is $5.02 with a 24-hour trading volume of $196.87 million, market cap of $4.96 billion, and market dominance of 0.42%. The DOT price decreased -0.70% in the last 24 hours. Polkadot reached its highest price on November 4, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $54.98, while Polkadot's lowest price was recorded on August 22, 2020 when it was trading at its all-time low of $2.82. The lowest price since its ADH was $4.20, cycle low. The highest DOT price since the last cycle low was $5.72, cycle high. The Polkadot price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Polkadot's current circulating supply is 987.58 m DOT out of max supply of 1.00 b DOT. In terms of market cap, Polkadot is currently ranked number 6 in the proof-of-stake coin sector and ranked number 10 in the Layer 1 sector. The last exchange rate for the US dollar was $5.44, which shows that there was a big jump in trading volume during the day, hitting $107,266,298. The latest analysis of the price of Polkadots shows a mostly positive trend, with a big rise in the MA50 value, which is now at $6.65. This goes against what most people think, which is that the opposite is true. 2023, July 31st. In this video, we'll give an in-depth look at the costs of Polkadot. We'll focus on today and the coming week, and try to answer frequently asked questions and explain important information. How much do you think Polkadot will cost in the short term? And do you think it's a good place to spend in a big way? Based on the amount of support and resistance in Polkadots and other factors, the EMA50 is about 6.65 cents right now. This suggests that the topic was thought about briefly before going into more detail. The goal of this specialist examination is to have a full talk of the current market conditions. In the last 24 hours, the market has gone down by 1.84%. Making the total value of the coin market $1,207,461,109,687. The total trading volume continues at 2.33.63.79.55.20, which shows a lot of activity, but more analysis is needed before getting into the details. Specialized research mostly lets us dig into the nature of the current market conditions. In the last 24 hours, the general cryptocurrency market has gone down by 1.84%, bringing the total market capitalization to $1,207,461,109,687. This drop has important repercussions. Bitcoin has a market share of 48.56% right now, while Ethereum has a control of 16.33%. This has caused Bitcoin's value to rise to $30,172.69, which is an increase of 1.17%. In the same time period, the price of Ethereum went up by 0.71% to reach $1897.29, and XRP went up by 0.37% to 75 cents. The analysis of Polkadot's price suggests a bullish trend today, and the BNB coin, which is mostly used for local transactions, has gone up by 0.7% to 243. Contrary to what most people think, this means that the exponential moving average EMA50 is currently at an average of $6.65. Also, the value of Coco's BCX dropped by 0.77, making it worth 60 cents. Despite what most people thought, this happened. These instances effectively illustrate that the market is currently experiencing a predominantly downward trend in the short term with a significant and widespread decline observed across the cryptocurrency sector. The market exhibits a clear divergence from prevailing conventional wisdom. The concepts of support and resistance are crucial technical indicators that can be employed to identify key price levels where a trend may potentially reverse. It is worth noting that the total trading volume currently stands at 23,363,779,520, indicating a substantial level of market activity. However, before delving further into the realm of technical analysis, it is important to first examine the prevailing market conditions. In the recent 24-hour period, a decline of 1.84 has been observed in the whole cryptocurrency market, resulting in the market's total value reaching approximately 1 trillion in a modest manner. The support level generally represents a point at which buyers tend to exhibit increased interest and effectively halt the decline in the price of a particular asset, such as Bitcoin, as demonstrated by its rise to 30,172.69 after a 1.17 upward movement. In the same way, the resistance level is a place where sellers become more active and stop the price of the asset from going up any further, or so they think. How much backing and resistance? Polkadot has a plan based on price analysis, was carried out with great care during the term. Market file is a record or group of information about a certain market. It usually contains data. The current trading price of Polkadot is $5.44, and it has a large trading value of $107.266298. In particular, the price of DOT has gone up by 1.62% in the last 24 hours. The market capitalization rose steadily by 1.4 units over the past week, hitting a total value of $6,569,814,777. The most important thing about US dollars is how important they are. A look at how much Polkadot is worth in terms of its spot cost. The July 31, 2023, evaluation and day-to-day study showed that Polkadot backing, obstruction backing, and opposition are very important. Technical signs are used to find key price levels where a change in the trend might happen. This means that the total trade volume stays at 23,363,779,520, which shows that speculative technical analysis needs to be looked at in more depth. Before getting into this study, though, it's important to talk about the current market conditions. At the end of the last 24 hours, the general digital currency market went down by 1.84, bringing the total market value to $1,207,461,109,687. This number is a big deal. In our research, we use the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the moving average. We can see the ideas of union and disparity by using technical indicators like moving averages. The simple moving average